manufacturing, innovation depends on much more than technology. I'm here with Ilir Sadriu, FlexLink Head of Europe North, and John Stead, FlexLink Indirect Channel Europe Manager. Can you share what matters most for you?
One thing I've learned over the years is that the toughest challenges can't be solved by one person alone. They require teamwork.
So, why is collaboration so essential at FlexLink?
Well, nobody can know everything, especially in complex industrial applications like the ones we handle. The only way to meet our customers' high standards is by combining knowledge across regions, backgrounds and functions. Collaboration isn't optional, it is the key to success.
FlexLink has its roots in Sweden. How does the company culture support this way of working?
FlexLink was built on a culture of trust and openness. While the company has grown and evolved, those values remain central, empowering people to contribute, take responsibility, and to grow with us.
Openness, respect, and a mindset that always looks forward. Those values create trust, and only trust makes real collaboration possible.
And how does that trust translate into innovation?
Well, trust gives people the freedom to take risks, think outside the box, and explore new ideas. And that's how real innovation happens, not by playing it safe, but by being open to new ways of working.
What does that mean for young professionals?
It means that you're stepping into a place where people want to see you succeed. From day one, you will be part of a team that's ready to support your growth. With our culture of openness, your new ideas and fresh perspectives will play a key role in how we shape the future together.
What makes FlexLink unique?
What makes FlexLink unique is that we are not a huge multinational, but we are truly global. It's easy to connect across borders, learn from other cultures, and work in diverse teams. And diverse teams usually perform better. At FlexLink, teamwork is our strength. It's what drives innovation, builds trust, and makes a real difference for our customers.
Explore our website to learn more.